Welcome back to the H.A.M cam. Today we are working on a diagnostic for crank no start. Okay. Here we are testing to see if we have spark and fuel. We had the fuel pump, but we did not have fuel coming out the injectors. We got no spark. After a quick trip to our local O'Reilly's for an ignition switch and ignition coil, we are now back to test and see which one, if not both, are bad. The original coil was good, and it was the ignition module that was bad. There you have it, 1995 Chevy K2500 no start, or crank no start, was due to a bad ignition module under distributor cap. I'm staying with H.A.M Auto.